Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how you can use the CMS or Cash Management Services product in the Novopay Retailer app. You can now become a cash collection center and earn up to 10,000 rupees over your income. To conduct cash services transactions, please click on Cash Services in the home screen of your Novopay application. Please search for the biller you want to conduct the transaction for and select the same. In this case, we are going to select Swiggy for the transaction as an example. Now enter the correct mobile number of the depositor and click on Get Details. Verify the details including the due amount and enter the amount the depositor wishes to pay. Confirm the details and the amount being deposited and click on Confirm Payment. You will now be asked to choose from which wallet you wish to make the payment from. Select the wallet and please enter your MPIN to authorize the transaction. And you will see that your cash collection transaction is now complete. Now I'm going to show you the status enquiry flow wherein you can check the status of any transaction and also use the same to initiate a refund for failed transactions where the amount has been debited. Now click on Cash Services again from the home screen of your Novopay Retailer app and click on Status Enquiry. You can search for a transaction using either the mobile number of the depositor or the transaction reference ID. First, let's look at how we can search for a transaction using the mobile number of the depositor. Please enter the mobile number and click on Search. All the CMS transactions conducted using that mobile number will be visible on the screen. Click on the transaction for which you would want to know the final status of the transaction, and you will receive all the details on your screen. Now, you can also search for the transaction using your transaction reference ID. From the status enquiry screen, please enter the unique Novopay transaction reference number to know the updated status of the transaction. If you would like to initiate a refund for a failed transaction, you will get an option at the bottom of your screen to initiate refund, wherein clicking that option will trigger an OTP to the depositor's mobile number. Please enter that OTP and the refund will be processed. I hope this video was helpful for all of you in learning how to use our cash services feature. If you have any further questions or need assistance, please feel free to reach out to our customer support team by calling 806-777-8666, or you can also send an email to care@novopay.in. Thank you so much for your time and I hope you have a great day.